The power of artificial intelligence in business and daily life. Introduction. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These machines are programmed to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. AI encompasses technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, robotics, and computer vision. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and smart business analytics, AI is transforming the way we live and work. But why does AI matter? And how does it impact businesses and our daily lives? Let's dive deeper. AI in businesses, a game changer. In the business world, AI is a revolutionary force. It automates repetitive tasks, enhances decision-making, and unlocks new opportunities for growth. Companies use AI for customer service, chatbots, virtual assistants, data analysis, predictive analytics, trend forecasting, marketing, personalized recommendations, targeted ads, operations, supply chain optimization, inventory management. AI helps businesses operate faster, smarter, and more efficiently. But how does this translate into real-world success? AI in human daily life. Beyond business, AI isn't just for corporations, it's part of our everyday lives. Think about smartphones, face recognition, voice commands, healthcare, AI-powered diagnostics, robotic surgeries. Entertainment, Netflix recommendations, AI-generated music, smart homes, thermostats adjusting to your habits, security systems, AI makes life more convenient, safer, and personalized. But its true power shines when applied strategically in business. Why is AI important? The competitive edge. The importance of AI lies in its ability to increase efficiency. Automating tasks saves time and reduces errors. Enhance decision-making. AI analyzes vast data to provide actionable insights, improve customer experience. Personalized interactions boost satisfaction. Drive innovation. AI enables new products and services. Businesses that ignore AI risk falling behind competitors who leverage its power. Is AI good for business? The truth: absolutely, when implemented correctly. AI helps businesses reduce costs by automating labor-intensive processes, increase revenue through data-driven strategies, scale operations without proportional increases in workforce. However, AI is not a magic solution. Poor implementation can lead to failures. More on that later. What types of businesses can use AI? Nearly every industry benefits from AI: retail, inventory management, dynamic pricing, finance, fraud detection, robo-advisors, healthcare, AI diagnostics, patient monitoring, manufacturing, predictive maintenance, quality control, marketing, sales, lead scoring, customer segmentation. No matter the sector, AI can optimize performance. Pros and cons of AI in business. Pros: 1. 24/7 productivity. AI doesn't sleep or take breaks. 2. Data-driven insights, better forecasting and strategy. 3. Cost savings, reduces manual labor expenses. Cons: 1. High initial costs, implementation can be expensive. 2. Job displacement, some roles may become obsolete. 3. Data privacy risks, requires strong security measures. Understanding these trade-offs is key to successful AI adoption. Why some businesses fail with AI and how to avoid it. Common reasons for AI failure: lack of clear strategy, implementing AI without defined goals, poor data quality. AI needs clean, relevant data to work effectively. Resistance to change. Employees and management must embrace AI. To succeed, businesses must plan carefully, train staff, and choose the right AI tools. Why some businesses grow rapidly with AI are successful AI-driven businesses. Leverage real-time analytics, making faster, smarter decisions, enhance customer personalization, boosting loyalty and sales, automate scalable processes, handling growth without bottlenecks. Companies like Amazon, Tesla, and Netflix prove AI's transformative power. How to choose the right AI tool for your business. Key steps: identify business needs. What problems should AI solve? Evaluate AI solutions, compare features, costs, and scalability. Start small, pilot AI in one department. Before full rollout, train your team, ensure employees can use AI effectively. The right AI tool aligns with your goals and integrates smoothly. Conclusion: embrace AI for a smarter future. AI is not just a trend, it's the future of business and daily life. Companies that adopt AI wisely will thrive, while those that resist risk obsolescence. The choice is clear: understand AI, implement it strategically, and watch your business grow. If you are interested to learn more about AI, then you can check out the best and rated AI tools for businesses through the link provided below. Don't forget to subscribe to get more useful videos like this. Thank you for watching.